Guys, welcome back to Farm Boss. Today we're going to be doing another video on a Ryobi 1 Plus 18 volt brushless hammer drill driver kit. We need this hammer drill because we're doing bathroom work in our basement, so we had to pick this up at Home Depot. So it says on the box it comes with one high capacity 4 amp hour battery, the charger, and a bag. That's what it looks like. Brushless. There's not a lot on the box. It just says what Ryobi is. 3 modes. There's a magnet holder on there. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this thing. Well, it's already out of the box, but so let's put the box down here. Okay, so it comes with this nice bag. 2 carry handles, very nice. So let's open this thing up. So that's what it looks like whenever you undo it. Actually, it's upside down. That's not good. Get over it. That's what it looks like. So first off, let's pull out the drill. Here's the drill. Very nice. Let's get it out of this plastic stuff. Here we go. Let's get it out of here. So here's the drill. So first thoughts on it. It's nicer than the old drills. Oh, what's really nice is the older drills have a plastic chop. This one's actually metal or aluminum. It's got 16, 18, 20 different, no, 22, 20, 24 different clutch settings. The settings up there: screw mode, hammer, and drill mode. 3 different settings: high and low speed. It says brushless right on the side. Reverse, forward. So that's very nice. Magnet holder down here. Comes with a bit, Phillips, and flathead. Nice little bit holder down there. That'll stick right there if you wanted to. Which is good. LED light right up there. Let's put this over there for now. LED light right there. You guys want that? LED light. Kind of nice. So let's get more into this bag here. Move that aside. What else is there in here? Got the operator's manual. Don't need that right now. And this one. Here's the handle for it. So it comes with a handle with the screws and bolts. Put that together in a second. It's all in plastic stuff. So you guys see, it's got the handle. So 2 more things in the bag. It comes with the 30-minute Ryobi charger. There's green light charge, headlight charging, and then faulty battery. So 30-minute charger, very nice. Put that over here. Last thing is a 4 amp hour high capacity battery. Let's get this thing out of here. Let's move this bag aside. So it's a nice sized bag, it'll hold it all in there. Let's move the bag aside. Okay, so let's get the high capacity battery out of here. How does this work? They really package this stuff good. How do you get this thing out of here? Let's see how does this thing come out of here? This isn't good. How do you get this thing out of here? They really package these things good. Oh, it's coming out. There we go. It just, they make it tight so nobody can take it, unbox it, and take it. So here's the battery. Let's get rid of this cardboard. Put that over there. Here's the battery. Nice 4 amp hour battery. It comes Here's the fuel status gauge. It has two bars. Nice. Put the garbage aside. So yeah, this is it. Let's put together this handle real quick. I don't know how it does this, so I don't know how you put this together yet, so my guess is this goes like, no, that doesn't right. So something like that, I think. Yeah, guys, I don't know how to put this together. Let's see how this works. So this is gonna go through here, I guess, and then this is gonna go on here, and then this is gonna screw on here, I think. I think this is how it works. Is it screwing on? Yep, this is how you put on the handle. That goes like that. And I gotta turn this on. I gotta hold this on this side and turn it on. There we go. The handle's on. So yeah, guys, let's put on the battery real quick. And there's a belt clip. So if you want on the belt clip, you can put that on. I'm not gonna put that on. Let's put it in the. Oh, this thing sounds good. See the LED light right there? This is screw mode. Forward. Okay, let's try. This is drill mode. Let's try hammer mode. That's pretty nice. So yeah, let's try low clutch setting. Turn that down to 1. Put it on drill mode. Yeah, so it's got a lot of torque. So yeah, guys, we're gonna show this thing in action. So yeah, I'll show this thing in action. So yeah, guys, I'll show you guys this in action, like I just said. So, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on it, how much power it's got. So, okay. Saw in the video, I showed you some in-action shots, and yeah, this thing is a beast. It works pretty good. As you guys saw, drilling in the concrete. Nice hammer mode on it, so it's got good power. It's pretty nice and handy if you guys are drilling into concrete, having to put screws on stuff, or drilling into concrete, having to fasten something, like we were fastening some boards to frame the wall in our bathroom. So yeah, it comes with a nice bag. I charged up the battery. We did 6 holes total. I showed you guys 2. So, I still got a fully charged battery. So, yeah, this thing's definitely worth its money if you guys are going to get into doing concreting and stuff like that. If you guys got to do it here and there, it's a good investment. So, yeah, guys, so before to look forward to my next video, please like this video if you did, share with friends if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, guys, see you in your next video. Peace.